Hey Kuya Pugi, my brother, happy birthday. And more birthday you come and God bless you. I love you, my brother.
Hello, mega love shout out to the birthday boy, Mr. Pogi, Mr. Handsome Guy, the Forever Youngs. Mega love shout out. Of course, I want to say happy birthday to you, sir. Salute to you, mabuhay. And wish you all the best, sir, Mr. Pogi. All the best for you, good health and happiness always. And I'm so happy that I met you guys with your wife. Yeah. And I want to say thank you for the love and support of Princess Magnificus channel. Thank you so much for the love and support. And new friend, okay, new company to be with. Thank you so much, guys. And happy birthday, sir, Mr. Pogi. Thank you so much for the support to Princess Magnificus channel. Bye bye. Happy birthday. God bless.
Mabuhay, Fambam. Ayan. Ah, because it's your birthday today, Kuya Pogi. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. More birthdays to celebrate with your loved ones. And more blessing than always in good health. That's so important, right? Then, thank you. Thank you for always supporting my channel with Atalaya. And thank you for being my kuya here in YT. Diba? Yun. Thank you and God bless. Happy birthday ulit. Love. Ice, baby.
Hello, good morning sa lahat. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat dahil naimbitahan po ako dito sa ah, bahay ng may-ari nito na para magbigay mensahe sa ating kaibigan, kapatid, kuya. Ayan. Kuya Pugi, happy birthday po sa iyo. Sana nandyan ka po sa maayos na kalagayan, kasama ng inyong may bahay na si Inday Lamon. Ayan, si Inday yung kababayan ko po. Ayan yung may bahay ni Kuya Pogi. Ayan, Kuya Pogi, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy today. And thank you sa palaging pagsuporta sa channel ni Kabutoy Urig. Ayan. Ingat kayo palagi. Yun na lang po siguro. Ayan, kayo na lang bahala kasi ang hirap kasi magsalita ng English. Ay ang nalalaman ko pong English ay ano lang, 2 words lang, Kuya Pogi, 2 words. Yes or no. Ayan. Kuya Pogi, happy birthday. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye. At sa lahat na nandyan sa comment section, ingat kayo palagi. Love you all. Bye-bye po.